Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create this waveform animation in Fusion page. I will add first background, then after I want to search ribbon 3D, then you can see here ribbon 3D, add one transform 3D, then after rotate to -90. You can see here already rotated. See before and after. Then after click this ribbon 3D. Then number of line I need like 40. What is ribbon of line? Ribbon of line means I will show you. When I decrease this, you can see here lines. Okay, I need 40 lines. That's why I write 40. And subdivisions. What is subdivisions? Subdivisions means smooth. Like I will show you here. Here is a image plane 3D. Okay, you can see here waveform. I click this waveform. Then you can see here subdivisions. Okay, I will increase this subdivision. You can see so many subdivisions. Like that, I also need here subdivisions to 100. Why I need 100 subdivisions? Because if I increase to 100, then it will more smooth. Then I will increase this thickness, line thickness. This is very high. I want to decrease this, and then after you can see here ribbon width. I will increase. Yeah, you can see here ribbons was already increases. Yeah, that's good. Now I need like displaced 3D. Displaced 3D. In here I need rectangle node. Then after I need fast noise. And no, sorry, I don't need this rectangle. I need ellipse node. Then I will decrease this and soffit. And I want to decrease this to minus 0.31. Okay, you can see here 31. Then after add one brightness and contrast. Then attach to display 3D. Then you can see here already attached. Okay, right click in a gamma and modify width. Search this fairlight animator, then click this. Then after you switch to modifier, open media pool, and then after upload your audio. You want to make with audio or music in your choice. Then upload here and scale this to 2, and I will decrease it a little bit. Then after click this fast noise. Here you can see CD. Right click and modify width. Then after again same thing, modifier and upload this your same audio. Okay, do not upload your different audio. Then after increase to 3. Then you can see here already bounces. Sometimes it not work. Okay, when you are playing it will not work. Just you should do double click here. I will this increase it a little bit. You can write 0. That's good. Then you can see here now working perfectly. Now I need like more 3D, and here camera 3D, and here I want to move camera to far away and add one render 3D to render it 3D to 2D. You can see here this is very far away. Okay, I will move it a bit. Yeah, now I need like background and attached here. You can see this. I want to increase this line thickness. And that's good. I want to see this. I want to move more this. I will see. But when I increase decrease, here you can see little bit different. Okay, no very different, but little bit different. Click this background node, then after I need gradient, and here you can write like 1, and here 0, and here 0.5, and here also 0.5. Okay, then after click here, I need 3 more colors, and middle, in the middle I need white, fully white, and here I need this color. I need like this color, and I will copy this code, and then after I need in here same color, and in here I need like red, in here also I need like red. Then you can see different already shows. Okay, in here I need merge, and I need one transform. If you are loving this video, then please subscribe for this type of video, and then after you can already see here, I want to click this transform and flip it. Okay, now done already, you can see. Yeah, now I want to move in editing, then you can see here. That's it, man. Thanks for watching.
DJ